new CCTV footage has now emerged of the blast. Now, this footage shows the feed immediately going blank after the blast on the screen. This footage has been sourced from the camera at the Chandni Chowk area. Now, in the feed, the monitor, a bright yellow light appears and then the screen goes blank. In fact, those footage on your screen right now, the exact time of the blast is also visible, in fact, in the CCTV footage. And this is the latest that has emerged, in fact, with regards to the Red Fort blast. As you can see, after the blast, a light comes on the screen and it immediately goes blank. In fact, the timing of the blast is also visible in the footage. This footage has been sourced from the camera at the Chandni Chowk area. It is the latest footage that has emerged, and it's important to look at this to understand the impact of this blast. The footage on your screen right now, News9 has been able to access it. It's the latest footage, in fact, emerging from the area. Now in the feed, the monitor, a bright yellow light appears and then the screen goes blank. In fact, the timing of the blast is also visible in the CCTV footage accessed from the Chandni Chowk area. These are the latest visuals that have come up in regards to the Red Fort blast. It is crucial to look at this footage to understand the impact of this blast, in fact. As you can see in the feed monitor, a bright yellow light appears and then the screen goes blank. Now this footage shows the feed immediately, in fact, going blank just after the blast. It is the latest footage, in fact, that News9 has been able to access with regards to the Red Fort blast. In fact, quite important to understand. You can see also how packed the area was. Also showing you the impact of the blast. Now, the exact time of the blast is also, in fact, visible in this footage. It's been accessed from the Chandni Chowk area. In fact, it is the latest visual that News9 has accessed with regards to the Red Fort blast. All right, the latest footage on your screen right now showing you just moments after the blast took place at the Red Fort. Remember, this blast has taken at least 9 lives. The investigation is on. NIA has now taken over the investigation. And this is the latest visual that News9 has been able to access. The footage on your screen right now, it shows you the feed immediately going blank after the blast on the screen. Important to understand the impact as well. As you can see how packed the area was when the blast took place. Now this footage on your screen, in fact, has been sourced from the camera at the Chandni Chowk area. In the feed monitor, in fact, you can see a bright yellow light. It appears on the screen and then the screen goes blank. It's taken immediately after the blast, and it is the latest footage that has emerged, in fact, with regards to the Red Fort explosion. The investigation is still on. NIA, we're given to understand they've reached the Red Fort. They're still taking the stock of the site at this point of time. And Prime Minister Modi has clearly said that all those behind the explosion and their backers will not be spared at all. Echoing the similar sentiments, NIA has now ramped up its investigation. And as the investigation proceeds, this is the latest footage that has come up from the site of the blast. You can see on your screen a yellow light appears immediately after the blast and then the screen goes blank. Shows you the impact, also shows you how packed the area was, which goes on to show that why we had so many casualties. In fact, at least 9 people have been killed, several injured. Some in critical condition still. 9 precious lives lost in this attack. And now News9 has been able to access the latest footage of this. It comes from the site of the blast. Viewers, this footage on your screen, in fact, has been captured from a camera at the Chandni Chowk area. and it shows you immediately the impact of the blast. Now, the investigation has been going on a war footing in this case. Today, in fact, Prime Minister Modi is going to chair a CCS meet on the same. And at this point, as the investigation continues, we're still getting more and more information about the explosion, about the terror trail, how many doctors were involved, what kind of explosives were used. And amid all of that, this footage has now come up. You know, in this footage, you can see how packed the area was at that point of time. In fact, this footage, in fact, has been accessed from the Chandni Chowk area. It shows you the immediate impact of the blast, how a yellow screen appears and then the screen goes blank. Also showing you the intensity of the blast. You know, a lot of eyewitnesses have come out saying that they've never heard anything like this before. And now the latest footage also echoing similar things. Now, in fact, the exact time of the blast is also visible in the CCTV footage, which has been accessed from the Chandni Chowk area. Remember, this blast took place near the Red Fort metro station. In fact, it led to the loss of 9 precious lives, several others injured, some in critical condition still receiving treatment. An attack that happened right at the heart of New Delhi. 18 arrests have been made so far in this case. It was an i20 Hyundai's i20 that in fact blew up in this explosion. And this footage right now showing you the immediate impact of that explosion, that blast that took place near Red Fort's metro station. All right, joining me now on broadcast is जितेंद्र शर्मा. जितेंद्र जी, हमें ये बताएं, इस समय की इन्वेस्टिगेशन एनआईए ने टेक ओवर कर लिया है. इस समय वो किस स्टेज पर पहुंचे हैं?
जी बिल्कुल, देखिए एनआईए ने अपनी टीम का गठन इसमें कर लिया है. एक आईजी लेवल के अधिकारी जो है इस पूरी टीम को लीड करेंगे, इस एसआईटी को. इसके अलावा इसमें कई डीएसपी और इंस्पेक्टर लेवल के अधिकारी भी हैं. खास बात यह है कि जो एनआईए है उसकी सबसे पहले कोशिश होगी कि जो दिल्ली पुलिस ने अब तक की तफ्तीश की है उसमें अब तक कितने सुराग और सबूत उनके हाथ लगे हैं, अब तक किस मॉड्यूल की तरफ इस ब्लास्ट का शक जाता है. तो ये वो तमाम चीजें होंगी जिनको पहले एनालाइज किया जाएगा और उसके बाद एनआईए की टीम अपने तरीके से तफ्तीश को आगे बढ़ाएगी. हालांकि वारदात के तुरंत बाद घटनास्थल पर खुद एनआईए की टीम ने अपनी फोरेंसिक टीम भेजी थी. वहां से जितने भी एग्जिबिट इकट्ठा किए गए थे उनकी रिपोर्ट अभी आनी बाकी है, लेकिन एक बात साफ हो चुकी थी कि अमोनियम नाइट्रेट के जो ट्रेसेस है वो वहां से मिले हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं जो फरीदाबाद मॉड्यूल था उसी पर अब एनआईए अपनी तफ्तीश को आगे बढ़ाएगी. जैश का ये मॉड्यूल था, साथ ही चारों के चारों डॉक्टर थे उसके अंदर और उसका जो कनेक्शन है वो जेएंडके से, इसके अलावा लखनऊ से, तमाम राज्यों से फैला हुआ है. तो ऐसे में कोशिश होगी ना सिर्फ इसका देश के अंदर कितना बड़ा नेटवर्क था और क्या ये जो मॉड्यूल है ये देश के बाहर से ऑपरेट किया जाता है, यानी कि पाकिस्तान से ऑपरेट किया जाता. तो ये वो तमाम बातें होंगी जिन पर एनआईए अपनी तफ्तीश को आगे बढ़ाएगी. जी.